Hey, Chan Physics, this is Mr. Block, and with distance learning coming up, we're going to start trying to embed a couple more videos into your GoFormatives so that you can see us working the problems and see how to use the systems that we have here for distance learning instead of just being able to use paper. So I know that's frustrating to you guys. So here is the work for problem number one in this GoFormative 2.08. The question asks us to just create a position versus time graph given the words that are below it. And so if you read it, it says, you walk 15 meters from your locker, the origin to the dean's office. How would we go about graphing that particular sentence? So we'd go to question one because this is right here, blue bullet or blue button number one, and we're going to hit edit background. And you can see we've got the graph here. So on my left here are all of the tools that you can use. And here we have, the first one is the scribble or line tool. This is the one that you'll use mostly in this one. So I always pick the line. Know that right here is the eraser. So if something goes bad, you can hit the eraser. And then a little bit further down is the undo button. All right, so let's remember the sentence says you walk 15 meters from your locker, the origin, to the dean's office. It takes you 3 seconds. So how would we go about doing that? Well, we know that here is the origin right here, 0, 0. So this is where our locker is. They tell us to always start from the origin. And we're going to walk 15 meters. And so 15 meters here on the position side is right up here. And this is going to take us 3 seconds. So we're going to be right here, 3 seconds. So we can put a little dot there if we want. But basically, to walk from the origin at a constant speed looks like this. We just simply draw a line from the origin to 3:15. Okay, that's that sentence right here. It takes us 15 meters to walk 3 seconds. So after 3 seconds, we'll be 15 meters away from where we started. All right, then I'll read the next sentence. You stop for 5 seconds outside the dean's office to read the list of students they need to see. You're not on it. Okay, so we're going to do 5 seconds of stop. Remember, stopping is just we stay at the position that we're at. So since we were 15 meters away from the origin and 5 seconds are going to go, we're not going to leave that 15-meter spot. So we're just going to go from 3 and we're going to draw 5 seconds. And so this is going to be 5 seconds right here, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 seconds that we're going to be stopped. All right. And then it tells us you walk back toward your locker to the flex station 5 meters away in 2 seconds. So we're going to be walking back towards the origin, which means we don't go further away from where we were. We want to get closer. So we're going to go this way. And it tells us that we're going to walk 5 meters in 2 seconds. And so I'll take this, and this 5 meters down would be down to here in 2 seconds right here. And so I'll just draw this line like this. Okay, once we're done with our graph, it looks right. We can hit the finish button, and you can see that it's in the GoFormative ready for us to look at. All right, I hope that's helpful to you guys on this problem set. And hope you have a great Thanksgiving if you're doing this on Monday or Tuesday.